In this video, we are going to talk about an alternative way of integrating Microsoft Teams with Dynamics 365 using the Office 365 incoming webhook. This is an alternative to using the Microsoft Teams connector within Power Automate. So let's get started. The first step of this integration involves few configurations that need to be performed on the team side. So let's get started with that. So the first thing we need to do is install the Office 365 incoming webhook within a team. So in our scenario, I would want to send a notification to this particular team every time a case has been assigned to this team within Dynamics. So the first thing we need to do is come in here and add the connector. So select the channel, click on connectors. So once this pop-up loads, you will find a list of connectors that are available for this channel. So what we are mainly concerned about is the incoming webhook. So if in case you don't find it, you can also search for it within here. But since it always appears within the first 3 or 4 results, and then you can click on add. So this basically adds a connector to this particular Teams channel, and this gives you the ability to configure it. So now you can configure this connector. This is basically the display name that you can use, that is used when it's posting a message. So before I configure this, let me just explain what is the issue I face with the existing Power Automate connectors. So as you can see, the Power Automate connectors comes with its own set of images and advertisement that is there below. It says it's from Flow. It's the Flow icon is here, uh, and the advertisement basically says using Microsoft Flow Automate to notify this. So this does not work for me in a production scenario because when we are selling this as a product, the company would want to put their logo rather than using the Flow logo. So this basically addresses that scenario. So for example, now I can just call this as case, or I can just call it bot, case bot, because it's going to post messages, and I can upload a image. So this can be the logo of your company or anything related to that. And then you can click on create. So as clicking on create, this basically connects an Office 365 webhook, which is, as you can see, is generated here. You need to copy this down and save it. And once this is done, you can click on done. As you can see, the incoming webhook is configured. So you can close this for now. So yeah, you can see that I have added this incoming webhook here, and you can see another notification as I was trying it previously. So now we can move on to the dynamic side of it.